Baby back ribs are one of the easiest, most delicious gluten-free foods that you can make at home. I'm going to show you my easy, bulletproof 3-2-1 method for perfect ribs every time. I'm a Gloozer and I'm proud. To get us started, we're going to make a rub. We're going to need light brown sugar, salt, cumin, garlic powder, paprika, pepper flakes, chili pepper powder, fresh ground pepper, and that's it. To start, we'll take 3 tablespoons of that light brown sugar. On top of that, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of paprika. This is the base to any good rub. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of fresh ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili pepper flakes. Grab your whisk and then realize that's the wrong tool, so finish mixing this with your fork till it's nice and even. Grab some ribs. These are just cheap baby back ribs I got on sale. They are not the best butchered, but they will work. Remove this membrane. If you don't, you're going to have tough ribs. And then let's go ahead and season the back. You don't need to go super heavy on the back side of the ribs because for the most part there's very little meat there, but you want to get that flavor and aroma either way. Flip them over and then liberally cover the front and the sides with your rub. Get it in there nice and then go ahead and toss it out onto your smoker, which is preheated to 225 degrees. If you don't have a smoker, do it in the oven. These are going to spend 3 hours out there, so while they're out there for 3 hours, prepare 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1/2 cup of barbecue. Mix that together because after 3 hours, we're wrapping these babies in foil. Pour your barbecue and vinegar mixture on there and wrap them up tight. Back on the smoker for 2 hours and then unwrap them and you'll see they are just tender as can be. Mine broke in half transferring them back to the grill. We're going to put barbecue sauce on here and then close them up for 1 more hour so that caramelizes and they are done. Look how perfect that is. You've got a great smoky flavor, incredible color. They are so tender, they literally are falling apart. The bones are coming out when I pick them up. Delicious, just enough sauce, just enough seasoning. Great flavor, a little spice. You will love these ribs. I'm eating good and you can too. Spicy Gloozer coming back with more recipes soon.